It's not just Alcoa. A number of other companies are feeling the pressure of declining commodity prices, including Glencore. It's one of the world's largest producers and traders of commodities. And as Seema Mody explains, those low commodity prices are crushing companies that borrowed money in order to grow.
It's a sign of the times, but how bad can it get? Swiss mining giant Glencore, once a symbol of a decade-long boom in commodities, is used to digging through mountains. But clearing a mountain of debt, roughly $30 billion, won't be easy while commodity prices are buried. 4 years ago, it went public. Its top executives became billionaires. Last year, it collected more than $220 billion in revenues. This year, it's ranked 10th on Fortune's Global 500 list. But now, low prices for copper and zinc are hurting profits. Copper is at 6-year lows, and even though it just raised $2.5 billion to pay off debt with a stock offering, investors have to be cringing after Glencore's shares dropped by nearly a third at one point today. And they've been cut almost in half since the equity sale a few weeks ago. China's slowing economy, especially in the power sector, which uses a lot of copper, is just one of the culprits ganging up on companies like Glencore, which is hardly alone. Lower prices for aluminum were behind today's announcement by Alcoa to split up in order to find growth. Also today, in a deal worth more than $32 billion, Williams companies agreed to be sold to Dallas-based Energy Transfer. That's more than $15 billion less than Energy Transfer had offered back in June. But with nat gas prices and oil down, the shares of energy companies have been beaten down as well. Even the giants like Royal Dutch Shell are not immune. Shell today said it will stop drilling off the shores of Alaska, an expensive and controversial project that cost billions and caused a surge of protests. The Arctic is one of the few remaining unexplored oil frontiers, and Shell wanted in, even with oil prices down over the last 20 months. But drilling this summer showed only traces of oil and gas, and for now, it can't justify the costs involved. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Seema Mody.